How to cure whooping cough at home. Home Remedy 1. Boil 1 cup of fresh basil leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes until it reduces to 1 cup. Filter the mixture and add a few drops of honey for flavor. Consume this warm basil-infused remedy to help alleviate whooping cough symptoms. Home Remedy 2. Boil fresh fenugreek leaves, 6-8 raisins, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds with 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Wait until the quantity reduces to 1 cup, then strain the mixture. Drink this warm concoction to provide relief from whooping cough symptoms.